Hey guys! Today I will be attempting to make a bowl of cereal in as little time as possible. Will I be able to get a Guinness World Record for it? Who knows? Also, sorry for not uploading for a month. But anyways, now let's go, baby! Okay, so for this particular recipe you will need one bowl, some milk, and some cereal. Yes, this is a cooking channel and a how-to video also. So what you will need to do is combine milk and cereal in a bowl. If you're going for a Guinness World Record, do it as quickly as you can. Alright, so let's just try this recipe and let's get the Guinness World Record for it. Ready, set, go! Oh. Okay, now, that's a waste. But I think that was pretty quick though. Judges, did we get the Guinness World Record for it? No. Oh, okay, that's fine. Glad I made the perfect bowl of cereal though. Well, not so perfect. Wait. Now, I know what you're saying. Did you think you will get away with this so easily? What kind of human scum pours cereal first and milk on top? And to that I say, pick one of these if you'd like to watch more videos and learn more recipes and enjoy life and be productive for the whole upcoming month and gain self-confidence and earn tons of money and give birth to a baby and what... That's enough. If we get 2 likes, well, if we get 1 like, I will make another video in upcoming weeks. Okay guys, see you later. Peace!